So the real reality is that, you know, if you can't get rich now and quickly, you're an idiot. You got to make the shift to the internet. So guys, there's two things when it comes to investing, and one type of investing is called beta, and the other one's alpha. You know, and beta is when you're, you know, investing in the markets, and if the overall market and economy does well, you also get a certain return on your investment. That's beta investing. Alpha is when you have some sort of information advantage when it comes to investing. So let's say you're really good at recognizing trends, you recognize the opportunities that are in the economy, and let's just say, for lack of a better example, you see that, you know, there's more cars than usual parking in the Walmart parking lot. And all of a sudden you're realizing, wow, it's you know, more people are going to Walmart than ever before. I imagine that, you know, in Q3, Walmart is going to have an 11% increase in revenue. So you invest into Walmart because you noticed this trend, you had an information advantage. And then in Q3, your money that you invested goes up, you know, a certain percentage. So you had an information advantage, so you could put your money in the right place at the right time. You could use the right tools at the right time, and you generate much higher returns. And that's the difference between alpha and beta investing. You know, and when it comes to starting an online business and the internet, it's much in the same way. You know, beta investing, when it comes to this is alpha investing, guys. You're recognizing a trend. Everybody is piling into the internet, and where there's people, there's money. So guys, use that information advantage you have to start your online business, to build your personal brand, to create a strong online presence, because that's the new real estate. That's data is the new gold. Guys, this stuff is becoming different, and we're too comfortable with where we're at. So we don't want to see the change, but at this point, it's too far. We can't stop the change. Things are shifting to a digital economy, and if you're not able to adapt and shift with it as an entrepreneur, you are going to get left behind massively. And at the same time, guys, right now, if you can make the shift ahead of time, ahead of the wave, you're going to be making a very, very smart decision, and it's going to be a really good alpha investment that's going to pay off because you have an information advantage just by looking at the trends right now. Invest into your online business. Invest into your education for it, and invest into the future of where the world and business is going.